Good morning, hello. Just woken up, not been up long. We just had a tour of the whole site, the whole campus. They got a farm which I'm absolutely buzzing about, cows and chickens. And yeah, this morning we just got split into groups. And I'll just be filming what's happening today, which is working on the farm and going for a hike later. Let's do it. Welcome to my humble abode for the next 9 days. That me, top bunk. Filming this week is actually going to be a little tough because of safeguarding is really serious here. Some of these girls come from pretty horrible backgrounds and yeah, they've been placed here so people don't know they're here. So it's important that, yeah, it stays that way. They got a massive farm here. They grow all their own fruit and vegetables. Had a mango this morning and it was banging. Now we are going on a hike to, hang on, that bad boy. Massive cows, mate. More cows. Look at this beauty. There's a calf as well. Probably shouldn't get too close. Is this killer, man? I've not climbed a mountain in a while. What are you laughing at? So yeah, just been having a little photo shoot, getting some travel feature shots. That ticks off the list. And yeah, well worth the hike up here. So I've just been sat looking at this view for a little while now, and definitely just appreciate the fact that I'm fortunate enough to come here, and it's my camera that's brought me here, my work. Feeling very blessed right now. Made it back. That hike was more than worth it, man. Those views are some of the best views I've ever seen. And yeah, now I think it's just dinner time and chill time, so I'm probably going to switch the cameras off on the morrow.